Let's go to Dollar General and get 3 bags of the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn for free and a smaller moneymaker using Fetch, as well as 2 today only deals using our DG 5 off of 15 Purex Persil Snuggle coupon. In Dollar General, we want to go to the snack shop and we are looking for the Smart Food white cheddar popcorn bags that are 50 cents each. We want to grab 3 of those. After we grab 3, we want to head over to Fetch. They are giving 1,000 Fetch points back on any size bag of the white cheddar popcorn, limit of 3. So we're going to submit our receipt to Fetch and get back 3,000 Fetch points, making this free and a small moneymaker. If you still have these coupons, the Persil one doesn't expire till March, but the other 2 expire today. This can only be done on a old system register. I tried these deals on the new system and self-checkout. They would not take the coupons that expire today, nor would any of the manufacturers' coupons come off when doing the digital only deal. So the first deal, this is an any day deal. You're going to grab one of the Pyrex costing $10 and one of the Persil costing $5.50. On the Pyrex, please be sure to scan because not all cents are attaching. So when you enter your number into the keypad, all your coupons come off, you will pay $7 out of pocket. And again, this is an all digital deal that can be done any day this week. My second deal using this coupon can only be done today. You're going to go down the laundry care aisle and you're looking for the Snuggle products that are on sale for $3.75. In my store, some were labeled, some weren't, so I just scanned. You're going to grab 4. I grabbed 4 different variations just to show you that it doesn't matter. Whichever ones you grab, this will work. So you just need to grab 4. So I grabbed 4, enter my number in the keypad. The $5 off purchase, and when you spend 15 came off. I handed over 4 of the dollar coupons, all those attached, one to each of the products, and I was left to pay $6 out of pocket. Now there is a $1.25 digital for this particular product. I'm saving it to add to a 5 off 25 deal, but you can still use it with this deal as well. It'll just make your out of pocket 25 cents less. My third deal I did today was this one with the 2 off the Persil, and then I had 2 of the all coupons that expired today for $1.50 off the small all bottles. So what I did was I grabbed one of the Persil bottles at $5.50, 2 of the all bottles at $5 each, put my number in the keypad, the 5 off of 15 came off, and then I gave over my 3 coupons, 1 for the Persil, 2 for the all, making my final out of pocket $6.60. Now, I did try to use, like I said, I tried to use these coupons on a new register system. They would not scan, even though the coupons are for this product. When I went to the old system stores, all 3 of these deals worked out perfectly. If you have any questions, let me know.